Hey guys, what's happening? How to see maps in GoogleFit. To see maps in GoogleFit, you must enable location tracking in the app settings. So I'm gonna hit your profile icon at the bottom right, hit the settings gear at the top right, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna hit track your activities with health. Turn the switch on to connect GoogleFit with health. GoogleFit can automatically add activity data from health. Fit uses this to track your fitness and health and personalize your experience. To see maps for workouts that include your location, allow Fit to access your workout routes from health. So once you turn the switch on, you're gonna just hit turn on all and hit allow at the top right. And now you just synced your location and you're gonna be able to see the full map on Google Fit. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.